Okay, what is an arpeggio? Now, arpeggios are just powerful. It's a powerful tool to use when you're playing. And now this is a chord, right? When you're playing Mary Had a Little Lamb, Mary had a little lamb, little lamb. When you hit a chord like this, it's called a block chord. When you hit the three notes that belong to the chord all at once. But when you hit them, the chord, one after the other, it's called an arpeggio, or a broken chord. It means you've broken the chord into its component notes. So watch me play Mary Had a Little Lamb with arpeggio. Mary had a... Sorry about that. That's it. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, Mary had a little lamb. So, arpeggio. Hitting your chord at random. There is no particular order to it. Let your fingers guide you, right? So part of the exercises you can do to learn arpeggio is to just, instead of holding your chord like this, you play it as 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. So do that like 20 times every day. 1, 2, dun, dun. That's 1, 2. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just continue. So your fingers get used to playing that movement. And when you're done with that, you've mastered it, you go, you were going from this finger to this finger to this finger. Then you come back down. Now you go from this finger to this finger to this finger, then you go back that way. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's an arpeggio. Now, when you have mastered that, you are done with learning the level 1 of arpeggios. Now I'll be releasing different levels of learning arpeggio, but master these two particular movements so that at the end of the day you can be able to play your songs the way you want to play. Hey, you shine.